I'll start investing once I make real money. If you have said that to yourself in the last year, you are falling for the most expensive lie in personal finance. It sounds incredibly responsible to wait until you're earning more, but it is actually an active choice to burn $500,000. Let's look at the math for a sec. The logic makes sense, right? Your income is too small right now to make a big real difference, so it is better to wait until it actually matters. It sounds disciplined, but every year you wait to invest, you're giving up the most powerful force in personal finance, time. And unlike money, you can't earn time back. You can't work harder for it. And once it's gone, it's gone. So let's put the numbers to this for a sec, right? If you invest just $100 a month starting at 20 years old, which is less than a streaming service and 2 dinners out, by the way, by age 65, you will have around $500,000. Now, let's say someone else wants to do it properly, quote unquote. So they hold off until they're 35. They start investing 5 times as much, right? $500 a month. By 65, they have around $600,000. They invested way more money and required way more discipline to get almost the exact same result, because the person who started at 20 had 15 extra years of compounding doing the heavy lifting. They ended up making way more money. Time in the market beats amount in the market every single time. Now, the 3-step strategy and the cheat code to get out of this trap, right? Step 1, start with exactly 1% of your current income. If you take home $3,000 a month, that is 30 bucks. 1% is low enough that you won't even feel it, but it gets the account open and the snowball rolling. Step 2, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account on payday before the money has a chance to become something else. Willpower is not a financial strategy. Automation is. The last and most important step, increase your percentage with every single raise. Every time your income goes up, immediately redirect 1 or 2 of those new percentage points before your lifestyle creep absorbs them. Your take home pay still increases, but the gap between what you earn and what you spend quietly grows, and that gap is where wealth gets built. There's no income level where starting feels easy. The goalpost will move with your lifestyle every single time unless you decide it doesn't. The best time to start was the day you got your first paycheck, but it's okay because the second best time is today with whatever percentage of whatever you make right now. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. How old were you when you made your first investment? I'll check them out. I'll let you guys know what I think, but I'll see you with the next one.